So, all right, Fitz is up. He says, good day, gents. Thanks for this forum to get real world answers that work. I'm confused. How do you point a Google Sheet to another property? I have a syndication network and I want to put in a Google Sheet, then point it to either the .business.site or to a gsite, but not sure how to point it. Well, remember, when we say point, we just mean add links within the sheet, right? That can be anchor text links or just naked URLs and make them hyperlink to the property that you want to push to. And now your sheet becomes a tier or a link, right? That you can then do additional stuff to. As far as point, to point to a business site, for example, a .business.site, which would be a GMB website, you would just point, put links within the Google Sheet to that business site. But for a gsite, you could either put a link directly to it, but you could also embed it, which is, kind of like RYS drive stack stuff, right? You could embed it in the gsite. So there's multiple ways to do it, but typically you're going to link to it. But, you can do embeds by, embedding the actual sheet in various web properties. But you can also put links within the sheet to the properties that you're trying to push power to. And both of those, or do both, really, embed it and put links within the sheet, because now you create that picture in picture, that double mirror effect, right? When you put two mirrors together and you look into them, what happens? It gets smaller and smaller and smaller, right? It's almost like a never ending tunnel. That's what we do with the iframe stacking. And that's how you can handle that. Marco, you want to comment on that?
No, that was perfect.
Okay.